Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve our Skillrack daily challenge using Python programming language. Before going to logic, if you didn't subscribe to our channel, then subscribe right now and make our work more meaningful.
First, we'll understand our question. The program has to accept the integer matrix M of size R, C, and then it has to accept the integer N, and the program must print the sum of diagonal elements of all the n cross n non-overlapping submatrices in M as the output. So we'll take our first case. So here we have a 5 cross 6 matrix where R is 5 and C is 6, and then we have integer n as 3. So from this matrix we are going to get, since n is 3, we are going to get 3 cross 3 matrices, that is submatrices from the matrix M. So here we can have this as a 3 cross 3 submatrix, that is these 3 rows, and after this we can have these as another 3 cross 3 submatrix, and then there are no other available 3 cross 3 submatrix. So we'll find the sum of diagonal elements within these matrices. So for the first 3 cross 3 matrix, the sum of diagonals will be 6 plus 5 plus 8 plus 6 plus 6. So 6 plus 5 plus 8 plus 6 plus 6. So this will give you 31, and for this matrix it is 3 plus 3 plus 2 plus 4 plus 1. So 3 plus 3 plus 2 plus 4 plus 1, which gives you 13. So 13 and 31 and 13 will be our output. So now we'll understand the logic of this program. So first we have to get the number of rows and columns as the input, and then we have to get the matrix as the input, and then we have to get the n integer, and after getting all our inputs, now we are going to iterate from row 0 to row r minus n plus 1, and we are going to find the diagonal sum. So we'll have a variable as diagonal sum as 0, and we have submatrix as a empty, and then we have to iterate from column 0 to column C minus n plus 1, and then similarly, so after iterating both we'll have that, and after this we'll have the S row, that is the submatrix row, that is iterating from submatrix row to row plus n. So we are now iterating to the submatrix and finding the diagonal sum. So for that, element list is equal to an empty list, and again we'll iterate from the column to column plus n in the submatrix, and here we'll append the element list with, so the element will be appended in the elements list, and so the element of the matrix S row and S column will be appended in the element list. And then after this, we have to append the element list in the submatrix. After this, then the S row is equal to 0 to S row equal to n minus 1. So we are iterating from 0 to n minus 1 in the submatrix row, and we are going to find the diagonal sum. So digit sum is equal will be incremented with, so digit sum is equal to the submatrix of S row, and digit sum is the submatrix of S row and n minus S row minus 1, and then we are going to check if whether the n mod 2 is not equal to 0, then we have to subtract the middle element value for, that is middle element value from the digit sum, and the digit sum minus submatrix of n slash 2 and n slash 2. And then we have to print the value of the digit sum as our output along with the end argument.